Those snapshots of supermodel Gisele Bündchen sparking some heated conversation this morning by riding around in an all-terrain vehicle with her one-year-old daughter in her arms. No helmets on either of them. ABC's Cecilia Vega has our story.
She is a supermodel mom, but is this model behavior? This morning, some moms are fired up about these photos of Gisele Bündchen, snapped over the weekend during a beach trip to Costa Rica. That's the Brazilian bombshell driving a four-wheeler, one hand on the handlebars, the other holding daughter Vivian Lake. Though the one-year-old toddler is strapped into a baby carrier, no one is wearing a helmet.
My palms started sweating because that just looks terrifyingly unsafe.
A representative for the model tells ABC Gisele was on a private beach driving very, very slowly. The model has been a lightning rod for parenting controversy. There was the time she said breastfeeding for 6 months should be a worldwide law. And most recently with this Instagram post, the model nursing while getting glammed up by her team. Gisele writing, "What would I do without this beauty squad after the 15 hours flying and only 3 hours of sleep?" And now this.
I think we're used to seeing her as this extremely nurturing and careful parent. This makes her look less careful.
Other celebrities have made headlines having their kids at the wheel. Pink's retired motorcycle racer husband took their toddler Willow out for a drive around a motorbike track last fall. And in 2006, Britney Spears drove with her infant son on her lap, saying she did it because she was scared of the aggressive paparazzi. Even Gisele has seen this controversy before. The model and her quarterback star husband Tom Brady on a quad last year, baby Vivian cruising with them. She may be a supermodel who loves four-wheeling, but some say this is no role model move. For Good Morning America, Cecilia Vega, ABC News, Los Angeles.